No, we're talking about magnetic, the purple one. Let's do color one colors only. It's only I need is one colors plus crystal clear. Where the crystal clear? I think I put it back in. Yeah, I just need one. Hi Eric. Hey, how are you? Hi Nails and Brows. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for sharing a stream for us. So then all your friends who couldn't get all the new techniques can absolutely enjoy and learn new techniques, new tips and tricks every day. Oh, that's one. If you want just to be lightly, just do it light. You can see how pigment is. That's all I need. Hey Dom, how are you? Hey Mama Vic, how are you? Alright, so I just want to make sure I say hello to everyone. Cinnamons. Hey, just say hi to everyone on Facebook and Instagram. If I'm not able to see your comments right away because there's only a little window that is showing and then it goes so fast. And if I missed you, I would like to say hello to everyone. So I'm using a crystal clear right here. Just a little piece of papers right there and the crystal clear. Continue to dab it in. How everyone doing? Hope you are doing good on Monday. And then you're gonna work from inside, outside to inside. So then create the way you want your vein to look like. This is a smaller, shorter nails. You can do like really thin, really small, however you would like your veins. Hello Instagram and Facebook. Thanks so much and welcome to our live tutorial. How's everyone doing? We are doing great down here. We're doing a little bit earlier because we might have a big hurricanes come in. It's been national warnings right now, so we'll keep you guys posted. Looks good. I just want a little bit of the purple because I get an idea for all of you for this nails. That's all I need. If you want to add 3, 4, 5 colors of the fusionings, I think it's gonna look so cute as well. Okay, so move on to the next. I am going to using a jet black weaver gel. I opened it already. Of course, with my 4, 5 toothpicks, and I tape it together just with the Scotch tape. You can put 2, or you can put 3, or you can put 4, 5, 6, 7, however you would like. And if you pick it thin, it's gonna give you a thin, like if you pick a little of the weaver gel, it's gonna give you a thin line. So I'm gonna go like that, someone up. Wipe that off. I wanna go to the other side. Hold on. about this one? Can you still see it? There you go. Sorry, Facebook, Instagram. Okay, good. I'm happy with this. And I'm gonna key this one for 60 seconds. Somehow touching this. Great. So now see what we're gonna do. I'm gonna move this one. I might use it later. Just remove it away for just seconds and see what we're gonna get here. Get this one. Oh, look at the little cats. Okay, it's so much fun to play with this one. See how it's gonna be. I just saw it. There are spiders in one of this. So the ones I opened is number. Do you know what number it is? I took it off. Number 1. I opened this one is number 1, and this one it will be number 10. So this one's fun. It has spider. Tray. Okay, so I found super cute spider. This is for all of you who doing encapsulating, or you would like to get for dippings, liquid and powder, poly gels. You can absolutely achieve this look. Well, this one even have the little pumpkins with the hats on. There's so many cute things. Okay, so I am going to using is condensed glue gels. Just really thin coat, really thick density. I just want it to really adhere to my encapsulating this design. Here you go. Can you stick it on my... Sorry. These are super cute already. You don't want anything? Absolutely good. But I look at that, I see this one. Hi, Brickles, how are you? Look at this one, super cute too. The spider web. But I'm gonna put this. And this is two together. And then now flash key it quick. But hold on. I think I'm gonna show you some cool tip and trick. With this one, you can easily bend it. So then it would not hanging off on the edges. You just roll it a little bit. It's really soft, easy, like have a paper die cut. Yeah, I'm gonna show you here, right in the screen. Can you see it from here? Higher. Alright, I think I got all of them. So basically you just don't need to worry about anything, just bend it and like soft, it just go right, like roll it a little bit, stay nice. Could you take 5 each one out? Thank you, Lily. Lily here with me. Okay, now I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. Hold on, if you want to see this vein, sorry, do her right there. Because it seems like I cover the veins. But you can do however you would like. Okay, great. Hey, Romina, how are you? Hi, Laurie, how are you? So, after that nails, and then we're gonna do one more coat of the condensed glue gels. And we are going to do a no wipe top coat. And if you wanna put any crystal on, then it's the best time to put it right after the no wipe top coat. So I'm gonna place the condensed glue gels on the top to cap them completely. Stay really nice. And no wipe top coat. You don't want anything else, you just cure it and it's good to go. Looks really cool. I tried to looking for the some of crystal and the charms. I might put some charm on this one. If you don't want it, you absolutely don't have to. I'm looking for some charm. Thank you, Lily. I just spilled one of the other. Okay. Corina, hello, how are you? Hi, Adele. Oh, thanks so much. Thank you, thank you. We can't wait to see your beautiful creations. As I say, if you don't want it, you don't have to add it on.